is an anchor? Anchor is something जो gets fixed. It does not move. It gets fixed. Now what anchors use? Anchors are used to hold the boats. But surprising fact is that you and me have anchors all over our body. All over our body. Anchor is anything that fixes, that does not move. I'll give you an example. Now suppose, I remember in 2014, I went to Sunburn Goa with my friends. So if you remember 2014 का time था जब electronic dance music का बहुत craze हो गया था. Everyone was into EDM. So DJs like Hardwell, Avicii, then Steve Aoki, Dimitri Vegas, ये सब बहुत they exploded on the scene, right? Now when I went to Goa for Sunburn, I went to Sunburn Goa in 2014. So I was listening to these songs on loop. When I'm with my friends in my car and in my car in Goa, I'm listening to them. When I'm in that festival, Sunburn Festival, I'm listening to those songs. So I was listening to these songs on loop. Now, after so many years, when I listen to those songs again, what do I remember? I remember my Goa trip. I remember the laughs I shared with my friends. Right? This is an anchor. When you listen to that same song, वो effect आप पे हो रहा है जो मुझ में हो रहा है? नहीं. That is why you will always have some special songs जो आप सुनोगे तो you'll maybe get reminded of your school days or your college days or an incident that happened. You will always remember that song because that is an anchor. Anchor can be through all your sensory actions. Anchor can be through touch. It can be through voice. It can be feel, it can be weather, it can be taste, it can be visual, it can be color. I'll give you another example. Now, this is a very Delhi specific example. I don't know if it happens from your region or not. Now in Delhi, what happens if you're an Indian basically, so whenever it will rain और अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है और बारिश हो रही है, तो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा चाय पीने का मन करेगा और क्या खाओगे? समोसे या ब्रेड पकौड़े, right? Whenever it is raining and you have that good breeze, that good weather going on, सबसे पहले आपको क्या मन करेगा? यार अब तो चाय बनती है और अच्छा समोसा या पकौड़े या ब्रेड पकौड़ा, right? क्यों? Now think about it. Now every Indian feels like this, especially every North Indian feels like this. But does a Japanese also feel that अच्छा it's time for me to have a tea and pakoras? No. So why is it with us? The problem is with us is that all of us from our childhood have seen our grandparents, our parents. Whenever ऐसा मौसम होता है, whenever we are talking about these things, all of our family collects and your mom or your mom will make garam chai, will make garam pakoras and you remember that smell, you remember that everything. So that is why जब बारिश होती है, so all you want to have is chai and pakoda. Why? Because that, my friend, is an anchor on you. So आप देख रहे हो, how does it matter? What anchor is? Right? Anchor can be good also, anchors can be bad also. Right? So, like I'll give you a bad example. Now, I love nachos and cheese. I absolutely love nachos and cheese. Right? So, my definition of a holiday, whenever I'm free and whenever I get the opportunity, so what will I do? I will put on a good film in my house and I will make a big bowl of nachos with sliced tomatoes and onions and capsicum. I'll cover it with cheese, microwave it and I'll have it. This is my favorite snack to have. Now I remember ऐसा 3-4 साल पहले हो रहा था. I was making nachos and cheese for myself. Then I got a call that one of my very, very dear friends got into a near-to-death accident. Very dear friends got into a near-death accident. I was so scared. I just dropped everything there and just ran to the hospital. Touch wood, he is fine. He is hale and hearty. But the thing to notice here is that now whenever I hear about nachos and cheese, and even when I'm talking to you about this example, nachos and cheese, what do I remember? That accident. So do you see कैसे connections होते हैं? Anchors can be good also, anchors can be bad also. So you've understood the concept of anchor, right? So अब होता क्या है? Now what is a price anchor? Now stock markets we don't have anchors. Stock markets, my friend, we have price anchors. Okay. Now, what is a price anchor? Now, I'll give you this very current example. So, how am I writing to you on this PPT? So, basically, I use this Wacom, if you can see this, yeah. So I use this Wacom, it's a black screen. I write it with this on this pen. I use this pen, तो एकदम blackboard की तरह होता है. So I use this for my live trade sessions. I use this for all my NSC, BSc trainings, for sessions at colleges. So teaching you for an online program. So anything, this is very essential to me, right? तो my earlier one broke. उसका pen खराब हो गया था, it broke down. So I had to buy a new one. So I simply checked on Flipkart. So Flipkart में the price that was showing me was of 12,000. So I said okay. So at that time I didn't buy because I was on a holiday. But when I came back to office on a Wednesday, I clearly remember, I again went to Flipkart to order it. But now it was showing me the same thing for 14,000. Why? Because earlier there was some Flipkart sale going on, which I didn't realize. Now it was for 14,000. Now do you think I would buy it? The same thing, Joe, if you want to buy a phone, you saw that this phone is available to you for 6,000. Now the same phone you're getting for 10,000. Will you buy it? No. This is an anchor price. This 12,000, my friend, it is an anchor price. If, in the second situation, if I went again to or logged on to Flipkart to buy this Wacom, और वो मुझे 12,000 के अलावा I found it for 10,000. Would have I bought it? I would have bought it there then, immediately. But now when it's showing me more, then what would you do in my position? आप बोलोगे रुक जाओ यार, let me wait for the sale. नहीं नहीं, ये ठीक नहीं है, I will buy something else. You will buy something else, but you will not buy the same thing that was available to you at 12,000 at 14,000. Why? Because psychologically you will feel that this is a complete loss. I am losing 2,000 rupees. How can I buy this how can I buy this when this is 2,000 rupees more expensive? Do you get the logic? Right? So that is the anchor prices. Anchor prices. So this is how it affects. Right? So होता क्या है जब people are on the peak, people are sitting on the peak. Right? Now suppose you have a share and that share reaches a peak of, let's say, 100 rupees. Then it comes to 90. Then it comes to 80. What is your anchor price? 100. Right? Acha, now another question is, sir, why is my anchor price 100? See, now do me a favor. Ask anyone what is how much is Sensex right now? How much is stock index right now? किसी से भी पूछो, किसी से भी. And preferably from people who are not in stock markets. पूछो how much is Sensex. पहले वो बोलेंगे यार I don't know यार क्या पूछ रहे हो, I don't have any idea. But you insist, whatever figure that comes in your mind, tell me. 99% they are going to say maybe the highest point at which the markets were. Earlier they used to say 38,000. Now they used to say, before they used to say 24,000. Right? Your anchors are always the peaks and the bottom. Peaks and the bottom. Why? Because when the market hits the peaks, Times of India, there will be headlines. Sensex touches all-time high, this and this figure. Market crashes. Sensex crashes, this and this figure. When markets are at extreme peak or extreme low, your college professors will talk about it, your colleagues will talk about it, your bosses will talk about it, your parents will talk about it, your spouse will talk about it. Everyone will start talking about stock markets when it's at the extreme peak or extreme low. So those become the anchor prices. Are you seeing how the entire psychology works? I'll give you another example. Now, I ask everyone, sir, tell me what is inflation? Let me ask you, what is the current inflation rate going on in our country? Now, you might think, I don't know, you might be guessing. But I'm 99% sure that the figure that might come in your head would be around 7.5 to 8%. Something between this or even more. But actual inflation rate right now is around 3.98%. Yeah. Now how do you feel? Bas, itna sa, that's it. This is the amount of inflation I have to deal with, that's it. Why? Because this is the anchor price. First, how did it become the anchor price? Because when inflation was actually this, I remember a few years ago, in the news, everyone was talking about inflation. My mama, chacha, everyone was talking about the inflation. My father, my relatives, my college professors, my colleagues, my students, everyone was only talking about inflation. This much, this much, this much. So hota kya hai? Your brain has subconsciously picked it from somewhere that inflation is this much. सो एज सून एज यू हियर द वर्ड इन्फ्लेशन, सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या फिगर आता है? 7.5 से 8%. So this, my friend, becomes an anchor. So that is what I'm telling you. When the market peaks out, इतनी न्यूज होगी, इतना हल्ला गुल्ला होगा, इतना मीडिया होगा, that it will become an anchor. When the market peaks down, इतना न्यूज, इतना हल्ला गल्ला होगा, that it will become an anchor. So anchor prices are always the peaks or all the absolute bottoms, right? सो एंकर प्राइस का फंडा क्लियर हो गया. एंकर्स का सबसे पहले एंकर क्या है? जो हिलता नहीं है. हाउ इज रिलेटेड? जैसे मैंने आपको साइकोलॉजिकल एंकर बताया. फिर प्राइस एंकर्स, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. प्राइस एंकर्स क्या होते हैं? कि आपके हाई या लोस. क्यों? बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मीडिया अराउंड इट. जब मीडिया होगी तभी तो आपकी सेंसरी विजन से दैट विल एक्चुअली बिकम एन एंकर. नहीं? तो अभी इसको समझिए, फिर बाद में आई विल टेल यू हाउ डज इट एक्चुअली इफेक्ट यू. सो दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ there are heavy anchors also. Let me go back to the anchor page. And there are light anchors also. First, abhi I am talking about the light anchors. These are the light anchors. Then there are some heavy anchors which are very dangerous. Now again, let's first talk about the psychological anchors. पहले आप समझिए anchors psychologically क्या होते हैं, फिर मैं आपको stock market से relate करूँगा. Now, अब जैसे मैंने आपको बताया अपना nachos and cheese वाला example, my friend had that incident. So whenever I hear about nachos and cheese, I think about the accident. Now, till when do you think I'm going to remember it? 1-2 साल हो गए हैं, maybe 1 or 2 years more, 3 years more, 4 years more, 5 years more, 6 years down, I'm going to forget about it, right? I'm sure बहुत चीज़ें ऐसी आपके साथ स्कूल या कॉलेज या आपके पास्ट लाइफ या पास्ट वर्क में हुई होंगी जो आप भूल गए होंगे. जब आप उनको when you revisit them, only then you realize them, वरना you have forgotten about them, right? But कुछ एंकर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो डरने से भी जाते ही नहीं हैं. वो कब? they stay. I'll give you example. If a child is sexually abused when he was being brought up, he will always be scared. If a child has been bullied, he will always be scared. आप खुद नोटिस करिएगा. नाउ एक्चुअली नो दिस हैपेंड विद मी. नाउ आई हैड अ मेंटी, राइट? नाउ ही वाज ऑलवेज अफ्रेड ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट्स, तो आई टोल्ड हिम, सर व्हाट इज द इशू, चलिए आप बैठिए, स्टे विद मी फॉर अ वीक. आई कॉल्ड हिम विद मी, ही वाज स्टेइंग विद मी एंड ही वाज बीइंग इन द ऑफिस विद मी, everything so that I can actually see what's the issue. So he was doing all his research work with me. He used to do excellent stuff. मतलब I rarely come across people who do that well and I'm that happy with someone. He was doing really, really well. Both me and Aditya were very pleased, very, very pleased with his growth. But he would never invest. As soon as he saw numbers, I have to buy something, he would never invest. So I used to ask him, okay, don't invest, do paper trade. Paper trade he used to do excellent. But in reality, he would never invest. करते when we had a lot of sessions with him, we had a lot of discussions with him, we realized the fact that that person is scared to losing money. Because when he was very young, I think he must be in the 2nd or 3rd grade, what he told me, his mother gave majority of his house savings to his mama, which never returned.